crazy. If you touch me, I'm gonna beat you. What? I will bust you upside your neck. Oh, you want me to hit you? Intimidation is not gonna work. Oh, different bark. Layla, do you want to get chocolate wasted? Okay, girl, let's go get chocolate wasted. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Good girl.